Welcome back to another episode of Things to Do in Southern Illinois. Today we are at the Science Center. Now let's get inside and see what they have to offer. Come on, let's go. This is located in Carbondale Mall. First things first, you walk in and you're overwhelmed with the amount of stuff there is to do. So we take a site lap to figure out where are we gonna start. To get dizzy, we race some cars. Painful to watch, I know, so we hit the ambulance next.
Can you help me? Everything. Skateboarding accident. That's mine. My foot. Ow. My head. Ow. Whoa. Oh. Am I gonna have to take any medicine? What do you think? I am? Ketchup? Every day?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to use those?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the light corner. Look at the wall, River, look at the wall.
Look at your shadow, Bubba. Look.
Whoa, you guys look cool. Rhino pit. So what do? We create here, sis?
So this is a geography sand pit that changes according to the depth of the sand. And then, of course, we play dress up. Look at that, more sand, a fossil
We
pit.
do have a YouTube channel, yes. I'll get you a sticker here in a minute. Nice. Whoa.
Subscribe to our channel.
You went up the tube?
Yeah.
Whoa! It's the kids area. We just built the tallest tower. Make sure you subscribe. It hurt, but you're okay, aren't you? Oh. The electricity lights. Let's see if you can pedal fast enough to generate some energy. Not yet. You gotta pedal. You want River to try? How fast? There you go, Willa. See how fast Daddy can go.
Can't forget to learn how sailboats work or check out the ping pong ball maze or the ball randomizer. See what colors are most likely to get picked. Let's race! And then they have a dedicated party room that you can rent out, full activities everywhere. Every single corner, something different to do. Check this place out for your birthday party, event, homeschool day, you name it, this place has it.
Here, we're gonna let it go, okay?
Guys, you know how this works. It's gonna spin. You've got until it goes in to hit the subscribe button or we're no longer friends. They subscribed, you better subscribe because it's almost going in. Hurry, you don't have long. We're gonna be friends. Hit the subscribe, it's right there. Oh, good, you hit it. Well, we'll see you in the next video.